Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "The Tragedy That Forever Changed This Department."
Oh, he rented the car from the owner, right? Mm-hmm. We're gonna do the report. We just gotta talk to the owner. How much he had charged you a day?
I pay like a $550 a week. $550 a week.
Hey, go ahead and answer the FaceTime. Hey.
What's up?
Hey, so what side of town you on? Panama.
Yeah.
What you mean you in Panama, Florida?
Yeah, vacation.
Yeah, you gotta come in person and do it because it's a whole other form that you gotta fill out when your car gets stolen and stuff like that in that nature. And we can't accept it, and the form say owner, and he can't write his name on there as the owner because it's not gonna reflect the same on your registration. You don't think he came back and got his own car?
I done had it for 7 months. Why you do it? My money good. Every week you call my phone. Ain't no, my money ain't bad. You can't come do something to do good business. I know you stay at. You can't come to the
I have send me his location.
Oh, he'll see his location? We can just go to him and go do the report real quick. Game on you, man. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I know these folks personally, man.
I said you can know somebody, but that's sad.
the crib too?
He might be running game on you.
Hell no.
I'm telling you, like, how long you knew
Cause
that?
tell these folks y'all ain't gonna take their car back, man. He talking about your buddy might be running game on you. Got the park police is funny. Hey, cuz, send me your location, cause if your location don't say Old National Camelot, he gonna do the report and sign your name for me. So go ahead and send me your location real fast. And Camelot, he gonna do the report. Come on, bro. Come on, just send me the location. I ain't gonna show him the whole logo, I'm just showing what it say.
Man, that background don't look like Florida,
Look,
man.
bro. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Look, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. You got that's 14.
That's Georgia, man.
Yeah, that's security right there.
Hey, he coming back over here late night. That's the dude that shot at South Fulton last night. Yeah. Yeah. Basically that car that's theft, that's his car. And I got a picture of him from last night. His location that the dude just showed, he in Atlanta Station. He said Northside Drive. He's somewhere in Northside Drive. And his name is George. The dude seemed like they real close too, cause that's what he keep saying, them my folks. And I'm like, you sure he ain't jugging you? And he like, nah, man, them my folks. And he keep answering the phone. He even dumb enough to send the dude his location. I got the picture from last night when I went out there with Fields. That's him.
They gonna get him jammed up on something else, boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, we out here dealing with this, but you was involved in something else. Might have to kill 2 birds in 1 stone.
Yeah, that's him for sure.
I'm trying to pull it up to see.
Yeah, that's him for sure. He got the same tattoos and everything.
As soon as the officers were sure of the owner's identity, recognizing him from the FaceTime call, they began devising a plan to ambush him. They first called him to their location, telling him he needed to fill out a couple forms that only the owner of the stolen vehicle could complete, and slowly began surrounding the area from every direction with police units, waiting for the right moment to move in.
Somebody stole this. Yeah. It wasn't. We under the cameras. It wasn't on no U-Haul. Somebody stole it. But if you say you left the key in now, but we'll get it back though. We just gotta make sure once we get the car and y'all social stuff like that.
Somebody stole my charger, right? I ain't never worked that bitch off. I just took the insurance off. Cause I feel like if I took the insurance off, y'all gonna pull it over for no insurance.
Nah, but
that's the only way you can play out here.
Nah, I know, but
it's like, I got 12 cars.
When you do it that way though, it's still gonna be at. You know what I'm saying?
And we got eyes on the subject from last night's shooting. He's in the apartment complex at Lakemont, just pulled up. U59 with me and some College Park officers.
He shot an officer, right?
Correct. In the vehicle and...
Ready, I believe South Fulton is contacting GSP, but he needs to verify on that, and they got a canine in around.
Don't approach the car. Make him come get out of the car.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell him, but I don't really want to. I'm trying to tell him to get him out because I don't want him in it. Dorsey, can you see the officer?
You're gonna acknowledge that you don't have possession of the vehicle and that the vehicle is stolen, and that's it. And it's one more form we gotta go get. Shit, it's getting a little chilly. I mean, we gotta go to the station, get one more form, and come back. So y'all can just chill at the crib or something like that. Yeah.
Smoke a let kick it from me.
Yeah.
Smoke a blunt. You know.
Well, like I said, look, don't do that out here. Just go inside the crib. Go inside the crib with that.
This Atlanta? I'm confused because they talking about Florida, but College Park isn't that Atlanta? And then on her badge or on her patch on the side, it say GA. So where we getting Florida from? Because they also talking about, something with Florida, but I'm like, College Park, that's Atlanta. This look like some Atlanta shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Have y'all chill, relax, huh?
All right, I'm gonna sit it up right now.
Yeah. No. We come back. We come right back. Right now, he on the back of his car. I'm trying to get him to go in the house.
Okay.
But he just in the back of his car. On the back of the truck, filling out a witness statement for him.
He's on the back of the trunk of the BMW filling out a witness statement.
He's standing in the back of his car. I don't see no firearm on his possession. In the car, maybe, but on his actual possession right now, I don't see it. I don't see a bulge or nothing.
I would rather him go in the house.
But he won't go in the house.
He won't go in the house.
No, Jones tried to say, man, go cheat him for him. A partner get back with his paperwork. He will not go in the house. He's outside right now.
I can't come from the back because I'm on the front.
Oh, you're already on the front.
About to pull up with me, Cody. Yeah, and we can get K9 to pull in and just be ready if he runs. Let the dog go.
All right.
Okay, that sounds good.
Wait on K9. You hear me, Dorsey? Wait on K9.
What you at? How many?
Possession of firearm.
Not talking what you went down the road for.
Yeah, what I went down the road for.
That was just your first offense?
Man, I went down the road twice on that. Yep. Because I got caught with the gun, with the weed. That made it.
They got you with the intent.
All that shit. Because you know, when you got the gun with the weed, like you protecting the weed.
Yeah.
They put me on probation, and I got caught with a stick. Boom, went down the road for that shit.
Ooh, it's game time, boy. See, they got the whole crew together. They about to get them together, man. You better act right, man, because if not, it's going to go real bad.
Hey, if he runs, do not run after him.
Don't run after him. College Park. He said they come with paper. Oh! Wait, who was that? Oh!
That's right.
That's the dog about to bite me. Damn, put your hands up. Put your hands up. My hands up. Damn, man, my bad. My hands up. We good. There you go. My bad.
South Fulton, GA. Yeah, this is Georgia. Wow. Not gonna lie. That's the K9 handler fault. That dog wasn't running wild and running right at the. Yeah, that's a tough one, but I would say that's the K9 handler fault, man.
Look, my leg broke.
Let me get the dog. Okay.
Oh my God, the fucking dog.
Clear. Get that car. Move back.
All right, so I got a rod in my right leg.
Okay. All right, hang tight.
I was just letting you know I got a rod.
Hold him.
I'm right here.
Where you need to take him to? Hey, somebody lead him out of here. Ready? We got a K9 shot down here.
I got a rod in my leg.
The canine, the canine, canine.
Please try again.
There's no body cam video of the officer taking Canine Max to the hospital, but according to reports, the police dog died while being transported and was pronounced dead on arrival. The shooting left every officer on scene in disbelief over what had just happened.
Bro, no false move, bro. No false move.
Because the dog came at him. Damn! Who shut the door?
An officer. An officer.
Yes.
An officer. I believe. I'm not sure. Who shot the dog?
I think Gray did. And after
That's what I thought.
Gray shot.
Gray, the officer.
I think the officer shot the dog. The dog attacked. The dog came at us.
Dog came after the officer?
Yeah. The being secure down here right here. Anybody else coming down here, slow down.
The dog ran up on Gray. And the other dude ran back in the house. But the main dude,
Did the guy run? Did the guy run?
no, I got him back.
I know, but did he run?
No,
The green shirt, did he run?
no, he didn't run. The dog literally, I don't know why Southport, as soon as Southport hopped out the car, his dog went loose and it ran past all of us and ran straight towards Gray. And Gray ran away a little bit, and then next thing you know, I just heard a shot.
Don't kick him around. Where were you standing at?
I got the car, came straight right here. Got the car, came straight right here. The dog started looking at me, trying to get out the way. She still jumped up on me. Got out the car.
The canine car parked.
Over here. The dog ran away from past them and was coming like, toward me. Jumped up at me.
If I get that.
I said,
This weapon you fired?
yeah.
Damn, gotta disarm him, boy.
Where's your car right there?
Yeah.
Somebody take Gray up to the station. Alright. You good to go up with Fields?
When the canine units came out, instead of going after the perp, the dog went after Gray. So,
Gray shot the dog?
yeah.
The dude didn't do anything.
No, they got the dude.
But I'm saying he didn't do anything. I'm saying him.
Nah, they got the dude smooth. Yeah. I was confused. I thought the dude shot the dog.
It ran. That's what I thought.
So that's something we'll talk about in roll call. Anytime a K9 is going to be deployed, you don't jump out just yet. Let K9, because the dog is looking.
When you say Murphy's Law, what you mean by Murphy's Law?
Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I mean, I look at it like this. I think K9 should be if it's out of control, you know, because they had him surrounded. The actual suspect himself didn't even run or anything. They expected him to or whatever, but he didn't or anything, you know. So I look at it like, okay, if you know, the officers, they try to handle it themselves, you know, and then if he take off or whatever, then you deploy the K9. You know, that's the next, because instead of the officers running, the K9 gonna get him quick, fast, and in a hurry. It's lit. So that's how I look at it. But for everyone kind of attacking, the dog is definitely getting overwhelmed or whatever. And, you know, I don't know, man. You know, it's just could have confused because he got his gun out. Great as a cop, but he got his AR out. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe the dog might maybe he racially profiling, you know? So who knows? The dog could be racially profiling. He got his gun out, you know? And then, but you know, the officer did what he had to do. I think that's on the K9 handler. I personally think, you know, because the dog ran right past and was locked on Gray, on that officer, you know? Oh boy.
Murphy's Law is when literally anything can poke his head up and interrupt what you got going on. It takes away from the normal operation of, did nobody plan for the dog to come at one of us, right? But you see what happened in the end. You know, you do surveillance on a location, there's supposed to be 5 people there, and you get there and there's been 5 people that's been in the basement the whole time, and now you got 10.
How you doing, Sam? Not much. You all right?
This will help me take a day off.
Tell me about it. If it ain't one thing, it's another.
It wasn't scary at the time, but it was scary, like, thinking back on it was scary, because he was, like, aimed down, like, he kept his muzzle down, but it was like, he's right, I'm right in line with him, like, if that thing came up, you can see 2 of them on the ground.
The suspect, George, who had fled a traffic stop and shot at an officer the night before, was charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, eluding, and obstruction. Meanwhile, Officer Gray was not charged with the crime, as the shooting was deemed an act of self-defense and ruled accidental. The case remains open and is pending review by a judge. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Yeah, I don't think nothing should happen to Officer Gray neither. They gotta have better coordination with what's going on there, because like I said, I think the K9 should be deployed after, you know, like a suspect takes off running or whatever, something like that. I don't think he should be deployed at the same time as everybody else. The K9 could get confused, you know, especially you got a guy holding an AR, you know what I'm saying? That's the profile. You see a black man holding an AR, man. The dog could be profiling. Hey, it is what it is. It's not funny, but funny, man. But yeah, man. Damn, that's an unfortunate situation, honestly.